the 35-liter Robobrew with pump. We would only like to share with you the best options you can choose from if you wish to upgrade your homebrew operation by adding an electric brewing system, but also taking a look at one of the worst electric brewing systems on the market gives you a well-rounded picture. After careful consideration and taking several factors into account, we found the 35L Robobrew with pump by Homebrewers Outpost brand to be a particular option that one should really not opt for. This product is overpriced. At just under $500, you can truly get a much better electric system for your homebrew operations at even a lower price. The product does feature a stainless steel design which adds to its durability and has a 9-gallon capacity. The electric brewing system is powered by a 100V power port and has a built-in digital controller. Additionally, the Homebrewers Outpost 35L Robobrew with pump comes with a built-in pump, which means recirculation will be better with this particular automatic brewing system.